Okay, this video is a request for ice maker help in a pretty new Kitchenaid bought from Home Depot. And I'll try to show you exactly what the problem is and then what I have done to try and rectify. So as you can see, the ice maker works. Everything, it does come out, but here as I pull out the ice tray, I think you can see, and I'll point to it right here, it drips. So there it is. There are the drips. Here are the two drips. So there's something, I think, caused by either excessive water pressure or one of the ice trays is full. And I've looked in other YouTube videos, and there supposedly is a way to take off this plate right here and reduce the amount of water. And I can't figure out how to get this plate off. So any and all folks that have suggestions of what to possibly do, the ice maker is working. When it fills up, you get extra water and it drips onto here and drips here into the tray and then makes these big cubes like this is the problem. And all suggestions will be followed. I did a total defrost, and that didn't seem to work. So I turned it all off, hairdryer, defrosted, and not sure what else I should try. So all suggestions are welcome. Thanks.